everyone. In this video I am going to teach you how to maintain your hair. Nighttime hair care routine. Yeah, it actually exists. Like nighttime skincare routine, nighttime hair care routine also exists. You know, this is how dry our hair tends to become these days because of the climatic conditions, and change in environment is going to damage your hair. If you don't take care of it, it will go away in months. So everyone is nowadays concerned about how to maintain a healthy hair care. It's simple. You just need to put your efforts. Yesterday I washed my hair, applied conditioner, and also applied some serum. But today evening, as you all can see, how my hair has turned like little bit of frizzy and dryness. I can't help it because of the climatic condition. So what you need to do is apply a nice serum. Okay, good amount of serum to your hair, not to the scalp. Serum should never be applied to the scalp. Okay, now I'm going to show you two options. One is a budget friendly or a mid-range kind of serum. Another is a high-end luxury serum. Both works fine, so you can choose according to your budget. That's completely your decision. Okay, one is Kerastase Elrix Altime. Okay, this is a beautiful serum. Okay, if you are okay with spending a little amount of money on your hair, then you can go ahead with this. I swear this is works like a miracle. Okay, and next is L'Oreal, which is little bit towards a budget friendly to mid range. Actually, this is L'Oreal Professionals List Unlimited. Okay, and it has primrose oil. This is a serum. Actually, this also works like a wonder. It does wonder to your hair. Okay, how I'm going to use and how much quantity I'm going to use, I'm going to show you in this clip. So just a coin size like this, because more than a coin size. I have a long hair, as you can see. So I'm going to rub like this between my fingers. Okay, and gently pass it down till the ends, from the below the scalp region, from like this I'm going to run my fingers between my hair so that it will evenly get coated. Okay, now it's evenly coated. Right, after that I'm going to take a hairbrush, like this hairbrush. You need not use a comb for this because it will damage your hair. This comb is just when you do certain hairstyle. For brushing hair, you use a good quality comb. Like this, fine bristles should be there. The bristles should be like this, should not be stiff. It should be flexible so that it will not break your hair. See, now you can see it has instantly tamed my hair. Right? My hair was not like this in the beginning. As soon as I applied the serum, it has tamed my hair. That is what serum is meant for. Now you can brush your hair. Like this, you need to braid your hair. Okay, fine. And tie a rubber band. That's it. You're good to go. Done. As well as hair care routine during night time, winter edition. Okay, and your skincare and hair care routine will change according to season. You should keep in mind that point, very important for all of us to know. These days, due to changing environmental condition, water condition, and as well as age, you know you have to take care of your health, as well as your skin, as well as your hair, as well as your families too. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye.